Let us solve this problem. Y equals to root of 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 up to infinity. It doesn't have end. So, how to tackle it? So, this one is just like y, left hand side, equals to root of 3 plus something. 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 2. That means if you add 2y equals to everything here, because this y represents this plus this plus this plus this up to infinity. So this is the summary of everything up to infinity. Then from there you can continue solving. To do it, you have to eliminate the radical. You can do that by squaring both sides. So what you have is y squared will be equals to square root of 3 plus 2y all squared. Now, these two will eliminate the radical here. What you have now will be y squared equals to 3 plus 2y. So the equation is quadratic. Now, you rearrange it. How will be y squared minus 2y minus 3 equals to 0. So by looking, it can be factorized. So you solve. Think of two numbers in which, when you build them together, to give you minus 2, and when you multiply to give you minus 3. Of course, the numbers will be minus 3 and plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Minus 3 times 1 is minus 3. Can you see it? The two axiom has been fulfilled. So you have two brackets here equals to 0. Y plus 1 and y minus 3. So from here, either y plus 1 equals to 0 or y minus 3 equals to 0. Therefore, y is equals to minus 1 or y is equals to 3. But the square root of number can never be negative. That means everything here, the value of y must be positive. Therefore, clearly, this y we're looking for is equal to 3. So everything here will give us 3. And that's the final answer.